Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have clouds, birds, and choices. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So you have a lot of opportunities or offers coming towards you in your work, maybe, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are a very attractive, charming person, and people are coming towards you, maybe proposing to you, and you are interested in someone, and there is someone coming towards you on their own. So they want to be in a connection with you, and you are unable to choose which person to go with, maybe. Or it may be a situation in your career, guys. You are deciding something, making an important decision regarding the projects, or it may be what choices you need to make, because you have a lot of confusion today. You don't know which will work out well for you, which will give the expected returns in your career situation, or it may be even in your personal life. Some choices are there. It is not about something good or bad, right or wrong. There are choices, and you don't know which way the relationship will go with this person or that person. And maybe you have come out of a past relationship, you have just healed from the past, and you don't want to repeat the same mistakes, and that may be the reason you are asking for suggestions from your friends or family. So you are communicating to your family members, maybe friends or siblings, about your situation and what needs to be done, what will be the right thing for you to do, guys, today, Virgos. So you are in some kind of confusion, doubts. There are a lot of choices right in front of you, guys, and you need to make the right choice. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have dog. So it looks like maybe if you are already in a connection and you are having some doubts about this person, confused where this relationship will go or what will be the future. With this card, I can say definitely that this person is devoted to you, loyal to you, if you had doubts on them. Or maybe for some reason you are in a separation, maybe you are in a temporary separation, some kind of problems you had and you both are not on speaking terms. This person is still thinking of you, guys. You just have to try to reconcile, maybe, and this relationship may work out for you. Or if you are looking for a new person, if you are interested in someone, seeing someone, this person is someone really good, dedicated. So if you like them, you can propose to them, and this person is really a trustworthy and a loyal person. That is what I see with this card, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is house. So in your career situation, guys, things are stabilizing. Maybe you are building a strong foundation in your career, maybe the projects or work related expansions you are doing. So, all that is going to strengthen your work situation or your business, Virgos. So, that is what I see with this card, guys, Virgos. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So, this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation, and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to what to say, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.